Welcome back, guys, to 509. So today we got probably one of the coolest cars from ARRMA. We're just gonna do a quick unboxing and then we're just gonna take it for a rip. So this is the Fireteam 6S, and let's just take it out of the box.
Ooh, piece of candy.
So you get a couple tools, stickers, and I believe you also get a high-speed pinion gear. Yep. I think you do need your own batteries. First time I saw this, I thought that's gonna be a light bar, and that would be actually pretty cool if it was like a LED bar, but still, that looks so cool. If you could read this, it's already too late. Then you got some army dudes. So you got some movable. That's actually cool. That's cool that they included these little weapons right here. Anywhere you look from, it's just all crazy angles. Yeah, I think ARRMA did a really good job with this one. It has like the honeycomb looking kind of tires. So this car's been out for a little bit, so I'm not gonna go too crazy into details. We're gonna take the cover off real quick and just show you the inside. It does come with the e-brake. We're gonna check that out so you could do like little, you know, crazy maneuvers and stuff. So you got 3 pins. You got 1 pin here, 2 pins here. So we're just gonna take off the body real quick. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. It just comes out in the whole thing. This one's actually pretty heavy. Here's the second servo right here for the disc brake. So I like ARRMA that makes the tray a lot bigger. You know, it doesn't have little stoppers, so you can fit bigger batteries. Okay, let's see where the e-brake is. Oh, okay. Wait. So it's the bottom one, B. Ah, cool. I want to see how the e-brake works. Woo! Yeah, look at it, like 2 seconds in and this thing's so dusty. Dude, that thing's quick. Oh, that's dust. It's quick, dude. I'm actually pretty impressed with this thing. Yeah, I wasn't too sure about the tires, but I mean, they grip pretty well too. Woo. Come flying this way and just pull the e-brake. Yo, look at that 180, bro. Whoa. What the heck?
Broke it?
Something's acting up.
Right there. Look at the axle.
Yeah, it just popped off. Oh, this thing right here, look. Also the bearing right here on the side.
Nice.
We're just gonna go to a different place, maybe where it's less dusty. Oh, you would flip it. Shoot. Almost fell. Yeah, you're good. Whew. Did a front flip, but I think that thing just popped out again. Yeah, we just gotta fix that bearing. Did it pop out again?
Yeah. Every single time, dude.
So the drive shaft just kept popping out at the skate park because well, the bearing broke and there's a little play in here, so it just kept popping out every time. So here's the new one. We're gonna put it back in. The other one seems to be fine. Honestly, I don't even think I was bashing that hard, and kind of surprised that this thing broke that quick. Yeah, so far I really like this car. It's different, it's unique. It does ride good at what it's meant for, you know. I see it kind of like a desert racer type of deal, you know. I mean, people are still gonna bash, but for what it was designed, I think it's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome. I know in the beginning when it just came out, ARRMA just sent a bunch of these cars to a bunch of YouTubers, and it just kind of seemed like they were trying to like sell it up. But dude, honestly, I do think this car is awesome. Every car out of the box, you know, is gonna have problems, has weak points. I mean, we did break a bearing, but it's not that bad. It's easy fix. So all the cars I buy with my own money. I'm not sponsored. I don't have to say, you know, just the good things about it. I can say whatever I want about them. And I mean, that's kind of why it took me so long to buy this car. You know, I can't keep up with all the new cars coming out. It just gets too expensive. It was just one of the cars that I seen it, and I was like, man, I gotta have it. It looks pretty cool. Let's see if you could do a little 180 off the curb using the handbrake. Yo, that was a crazy landing. Dude, this thing wheelies, like it grips pretty good. There's like the one tree right here. You have to hit it. Check it out. You guys found some stairs. Dude, that's so smooth. Let's do a little takeoff. Ooh, that was so close by the pool.
Thanks. E-brake's kind of cool.
E-brake is cool. Ooh, kind of like a hard hit.
Yeah.
It might be my new favorite daily. I don't know if ARRMA's gonna come out with like, you know, different bodies for it. That would have been pretty cool too.
Do like a two-seater?
Yeah, like a two-seater or something, or
With like a bed in the back?
Or, you know, something else too. It's pretty cool though. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Whoa.